Yeah. Seems like my phone's not working very good. Yes. Um, just so you know, this thought that you're going to use the criminal complaint against the police or sheriff's departments, yeah. I think we're going to need some independent counsel. Yes. Now, is it the Attorney General of each and every state that makes the decision? Because it says here, yes, such cases normally would be prosecuted by the Attorney General, Bob. Yes. Now, Bob, yeah, Bob Ferguson, yeah. Are you still the Attorney General, Rob McKenna? You know, I emailed the former Attorney General of Washington State about the fraud of issuing court orders where it says that I received notice when I didn't. Yes. And then police departments deciding to not read the protection orders because it was issued by a court commissioner. Yes. The same court commissioner that had committed fraud for approximately 4 previous years. Yes. Now, for 3 years, I've been telling you it's against the law, and you said, well, nobody's going to believe him. Oh, I'm going to have to demand on the part of each and each state of the United States. Yeah. Could you get me the attorney generals that won't be able to represent the people of their independent states? Because you're not representing the people when you issue these. Yes. See, there's no forgery, there's no state court seal, there's no signature of the petitioner, and there's fraudulent statements on the actual protection order itself. Yes. And then you issue it. 48 days after having court hearings, you have somebody other than the actual sheriff serve me. Then you attempt service on someone other than the respondent. Yes. And then you actually serve somebody other than the respondent. Yes. You're making fraudulent copies of fraudulent court orders. And you have a conflict of interest and are biased against the actual prosecution of fraud. Yeah. Now, I know you're one of those that says, because I'm homeless, I will never be able to sue you. But I wanted every county of the United States to know that when you can't use the prosecuting attorney that's elected to office, yes, because the attorney generals have to appoint independent counsel for every county of their respective states, yes, to prosecute every fucking sheriff. It's going to cost you billions of dollars in additional legal fees because I will find out that if any prosecuting attorney, yes, says that they can prosecute a sheriff, a chief of police, or any other oath of office, I will sue them for having conflict of interest and being biased. Now, what people are you representing? The people that pay the taxes or the people that elected you to office? Because it could be one or the other. Now, there could be some, well, you can't motion a court where the petitioner didn't petition the court on June 1st of 2015. Yeah. You can't reissue a protection order without any attempt of service to the actual respondent. I think you did know I was here. I was waiting for this court order from 2013 to expire. Yes. I spent a year homeless. Yes. I made myself known to you. You can't reissue it for 48 days. You can't attempt 2 times to serve somebody and said, well, we can't find the guy. You can't issue it and then serve somebody in the public library where you involve the library patrons at that time. Violates their legal right to use the library without having to witness court service. Yes. You can't serve the respondent in a public library. Ooh. You can't serve the respondent a fraudulent court order. Yes. That had been served on the police department on July 31st of 2015. You can't serve fraudulent court orders where there are forgeries. Yes. Whereas I'm going to have to demand on the part of each and every state of the United States exactly what people do you represent? Now, when we talk about the billions of dollars of additional expenses, who is it that gets to pay for special counsels, special prosecutors, independent prosecutors in each and every county of the United States? Now, you didn't take seriously your oath of office, but as that American citizen that's always considering how to enrich myself at the expense of the states, yes, I'm absolutely fucking sure.